Hi, my name is Robert Cioffi. I'm the CTO and co-founder of an MSP based in Yonkers, New York. And we've been providing IT services for small and mid-sized businesses for the last 31 years. I'm no stranger to cybersecurity incidents, whether they're human-caused via a malicious act or whether there's human error, as we've seen with CrowdStrike today. This is not something that is unusual in this industry, and it is something that we all need to be very prepared for. Luckily, we've had no impact from the CrowdStrike bug this morning. There's been very few minor inconveniences, some travel issues for some of our customers that we've caught wind of, and one or two applications that were down for an hour or so and then were restored, cloud-based applications. But luckily, we have been largely unaffected by this. However, I've been receiving calls and outreach from some of my friends in the industry that have a little bit more impact than we do. I am no stranger, again, as I said earlier, to the effects of a problem within the community. In our particular case, we were affected by a mass-scale ransomware attack 3 years ago. And the way the community responded to assist us, our peers, both local and from across the country, solution partners, and just friends who came to our aid, was one of the major reasons why we were able to survive and then thrive post-attack. So what I've been encouraging the community since then, I'd like to think that I'm a bit of an evangelist in this way, is to remember our empathy and our compassion skills, that when something bad happens within the industry, now be it at a global scale, be it something maybe beyond the reach of most MSPs, we've all got to come together as IT professionals. The very first thing that we need to do is put down the swords. Let's stop with the snarky memes and the funny jokes about things. People's lives and businesses are impacted by events like this. Again, be they malicious or be they just a simple mistake. And granted, those that make these mistakes aren't necessarily off the hook, but our initial reaction must be, how can I help? And if I can help, then let me stay out of the way. I think it's really important in events like this that it helps us practice for when the bigger problems arise. For instance, with the CrowdStrike issue today on July 19th, 2024, we've got a fairly simple fix. The issue is it's more of just the widespread nature of it, requiring enormous amount of time to recover. But there's a clear or clearer path in front of us on how to recover from this. So let's remember to exercise our incident response skills, our empathy skills, and check in on each other, right? Reach out to your friends in the industry and make sure that everybody is okay and be willing to offer assistance wherever you can.